So hello and welcome to FL Mixologist. Today I'm going to do a slightly cleaner bit of work, and I'm going to be starting to paint the trolley for the Lister D. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this product, a Hammerite Direct to Rust Paint. One important clarification is that I get no sponsorship from this company. I bought this product with my own money. And the reason why I buy this product with my own money is because it works. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply most of it with a brush. You'd be surprised, this isn't a cheap product, but you'd be surprised how much you can cover with just these two little tints that I've got there. And also I've got the spray. Why? Because I want the spray to use it for the box sections and the bits that are difficult to access with a brush, so therefore that's what I use the spray. So I'll prep everything up and I'll show you how I go about it, and also I'll show you the bits where I use the spray rather than the brush. And here you can see the reason why I put it in this polystyrene base, because this base allows me to kind of shift the unit. So now what I need to do is paint all this side. I left the topmost bits of the handles unpainted yet, because I need to just have something to put the item, kind of place it over this kind of racking unit at the moment. But once all the other paint dries, I'll be able to kind of shift it around and do this side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of paint this side and then what I'll do is I'll work with the rattling can, and I'll show you that. Now you can see kind of more or less that this is all very much kind of well protected. Now one of the things that I need to do now is I'm going to try and squirt some of this using the aerosol on the box sections, because I want the box sections to be protected from the inside as well as the outside. That's going to prevent rust even more. And the other thing that I'm going to use this gun is to go for those kind of difficult to reach areas. And what I generally tend to use is I tend to use kind of a cardboard box as a backing, so I can catch, you know, the overspray. So that's kind of the technique I'm going to be using. So here it goes. Okay, so I built myself here a rig in order to do the top bit of the wheel, so I can move them carefully and just go along. So I'm just going to leave them overnight, and then that's it. Okay, so this is the morning after the night before, so to speak. And so what was left, obviously, is we've painted the wheels, but now what I needed to do is install them. And if you remember, this wheel was kind of stuck to the shaft, this one as well, and now the shaft also. I've put some grease in here and here So now it's spinning freely, everything is spinning well. And look, just look at this. This is absolutely brilliant. So and also, if you notice, I don't know if you can see it there, let me bring a light. Inside the box sections also of the trolley is completely protected. So now this unit is completely protected from rust. And the good thing about this product, again, as I said before, this isn't cheap. One of the things I do have to say about it is that it is worth it for me, because this is a rust converter, this is a primer and a color all in one product. So just by painting it once, I've completely restored this trolley and put it to work again. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.